playing it like a normal Bodhrán. Quite a small drum. It's got a lot of warmth really. It's very unlike me to have a drum this small, you know, because my normal Bodhrán is 18 inches. My immediate thing was make an 18-inch one for me, and I'll try it. And I did, and it didn't work. This was the size that worked. So that's why it's so small, you know. So again, it's got these beautiful highs. Different. I'm not looking for that kind of overdone thing that I've looked for in the drum that was made by Christian. So anyway, that's it as a Bodhrán. Play it as a Bodhrán, but that was never the point, okay, for me. The idea of this was actually, or what it kind of came to be, and why I actually got really interested in developing, or helping to develop this, was it became a whole different instrument. I was in a studio with a band called Craiceann, which is an amazing world music band, and they've got a record coming out very soon, actually, it's great. But I work with a drummer, and there's basically two drummers. A guy called Joost Hendricks plays like a little jazz kitten. We were rehearsing this number. I grabbed my Bodhrán, was playing away, and we do all the rehearsals mic'd up, playing away, and my Bodhrán was just sounding very similar to his drum kit, you know, the kind of hot rod kind of vibe, and my part wasn't really singing over what he was doing. So I just put down the Bodhrán. This happened to be there. I just grabbed it. I grabbed the kind of slide thing to start doing it because I wanted this tablet-esque line, and suddenly it kind of performed better with this skin than it would have on my normal Bodhrán. So then the whole concept came about, and eventually ending with this device here, the soundbar, which again is made of aluminium. So unlike the slide, it's actually not a straight surface, and that was quite important. This little gap of air is really functional. So, and there's a little lip that comes out. Now it takes a bit of getting used to, but you can use it with the pressure of your wrist, you know, the heel of your hand, kind of the way I get my bass tones. That's what I'm doing here. Because the problem with using a slide, you know, people try to combine using the hand and the slide together, and I never really got on with that, so I wanted this to kind of be able to do that too. And then you obviously have the surface to be able to do kind of your slidey notes. Now, I work a lot with kind of tablet players with Indian stuff. So I wanted these kind of slides. moment there's a signal problem where if you go too hard it just goes so yeah. So that's the sound with the hot rod. So I feel that's my kind of tabla-esque kind of. Tabla comparison in sound only, there's nothing about the construction that's anything like tabla really. Okay. And then the whole talking aspect of it comes from the kind of talking, talking drums of West Africa, and I could best describe this with kind of a wooden stick to get that real sound, So yeah, there's your kind of more Afro feel stuff. So the open end, we can use that as well on the side here. A bit of fun with those kind of sounds. I was doing a little bit of that at the concert with Rowan. Did anyone see that? Was anyone at the concert with Rowan? Yeah, I was kind of using it. Working nicely. Kind of use the glasses, the back as well, instead of playing actually on the open bass. Is closed. So yeah, there you go.